We drove up to an area on the Mogollon rim called Kehl's Spring, arriving around 8 a.m. The first thing we did was find a flat piece of ground. We cleared the area of any sticks and pine cones and laid down 2 tarps before setting up the tent. We used a Core brand 6-person blackout tent. Once the tent was set up, we scoured the area for stones and dead branches to build a campfire with. Pine needles are also a great tinder to get your fire growing fast, but be aware that they create a lot of smoke and they burn up fast. Once the campfire was built, we used a cotton ball, tree bark, and pine needles as our main tinder. We also sprinkled on some shavings from a fire starter stick. To help contain some of the campfire smoke, we used large pieces of bark from fallen trees, which burn slowly and can also shield your fire from excessive wind. We let the fire burn down and then added a cast iron grate over it to cook on. After eating, we decided to make the 10-minute hike up to the edge of the rim. It was extremely windy, but well worth the view. Where should I go next? Comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.